Daily cover can be an airspace eating monster that's expensive to buy, time-consuming to place, and that eats up enormous quantities of landfill airspace. Even if the cost of the lost airspace is not an issue, the longevity of the landfill should be. With the increasing challenge of landfill managers to control cost and extend the life of their landfills, finding a cost-effective cover solution is a must. The patented tarpARMOR TDS Tarp Deployment System is the most cost-effective, safe, time-saving, and environmentally friendly alternative daily cover solution available on the market, providing a vast improvement over the requirement to cover with at least 6 inches of soil. Our tarp deployment system allows you to cover and uncover your working face with easy-to-deploy tarps that control odor and litter, and most importantly, save valuable landfill airspace. No added material consumes the landfill airspace when you use tarpARMOR reusable tarps for daily cover.
tarpARMOR TDS is very easy to use. You could typically train somebody to use it in an hour or less. If somebody's gone, it's easy for the next person to pick it up and take off. Sleds on the TDS are really nice when you're coming down. You get hung up against some trash, it'll just slide right down past it without the machine falling off the dozer. Very rugged machine. We haven't had any problems with it cracking or falling apart. Way more reliable than a lot of the other ones out there. A lot simpler, not a lot of moving parts to deal with. And it doesn't take up a lot of space parking it every night.
Labor costs are reduced considerably with this one-person operation that can deploy up to 12,000 square feet of tarps in less than 15 minutes by remote control from inside the safe confines of your existing landfill equipment. Just one of our TDS systems with 4 30 feet by 100 foot tarps will cover 12,000 square feet of working face and replaces approximately 222 cubic yards of cover soil. With the ever-increasing cost and difficulties of siting, permitting, and constructing new landfill space, it's important as ever to increase the life of your existing sites. The tarp deployment system is designed as a modular solution for any municipal or commercial landfill. One TDS can be used for small to medium-sized landfills. For larger sites, multiple machines can be used, providing increased flexibility and redundancy in your operation. This system can dramatically increase available airspace and extend existing cell life. Using the TDS with reusable tarps is the most sustainable solution for alternative daily cover. Nothing is added to the landfill for daily cover. The sturdy frame is made of heavy gauge steel and supports up to 4 30-foot wide by 100-foot long ballasted 9.4 ounce polypropylene tarps with 3/8 inch chains sewn in sleeves along the sides. The rugged sled supports provide controlled movement on steep slopes and over uneven workface surfaces. At 30 feet wide and weighing in at less than 8,000 pounds with tarps, the TDS is nimble enough to handle the most challenging landfill terrain. With over 100 machines in service, the rugged design of the TDS has proven itself to be able to handle the most demanding landfill environments. Each TDS is self-powered by a reliable 8-horsepower Honda gasoline engine, so no other external power sources, connections, or brackets are needed to operate the system. A Yanmar diesel engine is available as an option. The engine powers a high-volume, high-flow hydraulic pump and is virtually maintenance-free and capable of operating in all weather conditions. The TDS is manufactured so no fixtures or brackets need to be added to your equipment. The universal mounting brackets are completely adjustable without tools and designed to be adaptable to virtually any type of standard landfill equipment. The blade of your equipment hooks under the bracket on the TDS, and you are then simply ready to deploy or retrieve for your daily operation. Its attaching simplicity enables the operator to place the TDS anywhere on site or out of the way so he can continue using his landfill equipment elsewhere on site. The TDS can be moved and operated with D5 to D8 class bulldozers or Cat 826 to Cat 836 class compactors. TDS wireless remote control enhances operator capability by allowing the tarps to be deployed and recovered safely and conveniently from the cab. In case of a damaged or lost remote, the TDS can be operated manually using the machine-mounted hydraulic valve controls. The manual valve is detented in both directions to allow operation without having to be continually held in position. The TDS can hold up to 4 30-foot by 100-foot ballasted tarpARMOR tarps. There is a 3/8 chain and sleeves on the outside edges of the tarp and 7/8-inch cables in pockets across the width of the tarp. Heavy-duty webbing is used to reinforce tarp edges and corners. tarpARMOR uses our patented TarpLocks connection system to secure the 7/8-inch cables to the 3/8-inch side chains. The TarpLock system provides a supporting framework that holds the tarps at full width to maintain maximum coverage when deployed and recovered. The TarpLock system prevents the tarps from bunching in the middle of the spool like other tarp machines. Tarps can be deployed end to end as they unroll from the TDS or can be unhooked and laid side by side with the convenient carabiner system. We use only premium tarps that are manufactured at the same modern factory along with our TDS machines. The tarps are constructed from UV-treated 9.4 ounce per square yard woven polypropylene that makes them very durable and will provide long service with proper operator observation while deploying and retrieving over the working face. Your operators will quickly learn to safely and efficiently cover and uncover using the TDS. And because the tarps are being laid down and picked up as opposed to being dragged across the working face, your cost to cover will be dramatically reduced. For additional odor control, the TDS can be used to simultaneously control odors as you cover with the optional remote control operated odor control spray system. The fully integrated spray nozzle system allows odor control solution to be sprayed across the full width of the TDS at the same time tarps are deployed or retrieved by remote control. Why spend more on a daily covering system than your landfill requires? We at tarpARMOR can provide you with a system that will fit your landfill and your budget. Call tarpARMOR for a quote on the most cost-efficient, environmentally friendly, and sustainable daily covering system available.